Mano, o que você tá fazendo, Mike?
I was drinking that.
Get on the boat!
Michael, parkour! Parkour!
Extreme!
Parkour! Parkour!
Oh my god. Oh. Oh no. Oh no.
Easy, a bit.
Shorty had them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
There is nobody. Nobody's out here. You see this? Nobody's there. You're barking at nobody.
What in the world, Sophie?
I love it when I walk in the kitchen and find him swinging all by himself.
He's holding it with his hands! Hi, buddy! Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Hi, buddy! Oh, no!
Perfect. Okay, right this way. Okay.
I feel good, I feel happy.
What? Damn, bro, you scare me.
Where do you want me to go? Oh, of course.
Trying to tire him out for the plane.
If you sit, you clap. And you clap. And you clap, clap.
Go, go. Go, go. Nino,
Today was a good day.
Why are you up?
I gotta go to the bathroom real bad with spicy diarrhea.
Nah, 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 yeah. Look how small. Look at the way he's sitting.
Do you need a howl?
I said I love you, Babus.
Bro! What you
Want a break from the ads?
I'm
If you
sorry,
tap
I'm
now
sorry.
to
You go
watch a
back,
short-
bro.
No, não faz isso não.
Is he gonna go for a walk?
Is wearing overalls. Sir, I would crow too if I looked that damn good in overalls.
Hey, buddy. Want this Cheetos? Jesus Christ! Oh, God, not again! Not again! Not again!
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Sorry, Baba!
Listen, my guys, when my dog sees a fridge, he just gets up on it. Because he's the fridge dog. He's a good fridge dog, he's some ears.
Are you guys sunbathing?
Penny, ¿qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó, Penny? Por atrás, ahí voy. It's smiling.
Is it asleep?
Campanilla. Beso extendido. Puño cerrado. Dedos arriba.
No, use both hands at the same time like this. And bounce. Yeah, no, you're still digging.
Chico.
Relax. It's okay. We're done. We're done. You're fine.
Não, velho. Tô brincando, pô. Tô brincando. Calma, calma.
Good girl, yes. Okay, take it. Good girl.
Good morning, sunshine. Okay.
You ride horses? Yes, you're lucky, bro. Imagine I don't even like I'm
Come on, let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Where the heck is he at? I can't even tell. Have y'all seen Bando?
Hello?
Snake, 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 snake.
Are you kidding me? What did you just bring in the freaking house?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Let's go.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free but always has an attitude.